If you have duplicates in your data, the distinct and the union methods can be used to clean things up automatically. Distinct method removes the repeated values in one collection, while the union merges two collections without keeping the duplicates. This line of code in here is going to return only the unique numbers from the collection. The union method is going to combine both lists while keeping only one copy of each value. Both ensure that your results contain unique elements. If you are working with objects, you can use the DistinctBy method. And then you define the property name, and this way you are going to remove duplicates based on a specific property. Use distinct for cleaning data and removing duplicates from queries or user input. Use union for combining datasets from different sources while ensuring uniqueness. Both are lazy operations that integrate with other LINQ operations for building powerful data processing pipelines.